Hey, this is Pathfinder Pest Control. Coming to you today and just kind of reviewing some things that can help with any itchy bites. So this is Pathfinder Pest Control. Um, Give us a call, visit our site, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it. And so I just want to give you a few. This is going to be a quick video, a few suggestions on what we do or we recommend for um, dealing with itchy mosquito bites, or if you get bed bug bites, spider bites, anything that can irritate you. Of course, if it's nothing serious and you don't need to go to the dermatologist or doctor, these are some great products. And this specifically, I know that works. And my wife figured out, brought this to my attention of how good these products work. And then I used them and loved this product right here, the Cervino CeraPhi Itch Relief Moisturizing Lotion. This stuff works really well to get rid of mosquito bites. And so because I'm in and out of people's houses, treating homes for mosquitoes a lot, sometimes after the day, I've definitely got bitten one or two times. And so I definitely recommend this. These both work very good, but this I know specifically I've tried, and it gets rid of the itchiness right away, and the swelling and the bumps right away. So definitely a go-to for these products. I'm gonna put a link below. I don't work for this company. This isn't a commercial. This is just kind of a tip to kind of help people on how to deal with mosquito bites or flea bites, or like I say, tick, bed bug bites. Anything should work. So all right, thanks for watching the video.